For Chima, my Hansen ID is H10009335. The importance of communication in customer service. Communication is not just part of customer service, it is the most important part of customer service. That is because good customer service requires listening to customers' need and then telling them how you plan to meet those needs. In other words, communicating with your customers. Customer service communication examples. Every aspect of customer service is filled with communication with the customer and the company. While the most obvious customer service communication examples would be those between a customer who has a problem and the customer service agent assigned to help him. A customer does not need to reach out to customer support department in order to communicate with the company. Some of the many situations that involve customer service communication include when a shopkeeper enters a store and sees price tags, this communicates what the customer must pay for an item. When a client visits a company's websites and read about what services the business offers, when a bank teller makes small talk with an account holder is depositing a check, when a company sends an email about a data breach to those who have been affected. The results of positive communication. When you begin to recognize how frequently a company communicates with its customers, it is easy to see the importance of communication skills in customer service. The benefits of good communication with customers are numerous, but they may include leaving them with a positive feeling when interacting with your company, which will make them want to continue doing business with you even after they encounter problems and reduce the likelihood that they leave you for your competitors. Letting them know that you understand the importance of meeting customer needs and are willing to do what it takes to keep them happy, improving customer loyalty. Giving them peace of mind that if something goes wrong, you will do whatever it takes to fix it, which may translate to customer being willing to spend more on your product or service. Making them comfortable with bringing their problems to your attention, which can help you rectify the issue before they negatively impact other clients or can even result in new innovations. Creating a feeling of trust by not only listening to the needs but also by being transparent with your customers about everything that may affect the experience, from pricing information and shipping delays to product recalls and data breaches. Associating your brand with positive values such as transparency, honesty, and good corporate governance. Showing you value your customers and do not take them for granted, which could result in free word of mouth marketing with shoppers tell the friend about their experience. How to improve communications. Many companies wait until a customer contacts them before worrying about customer service. This is a mistake, as it only focuses on one of the many types of communication in the full customer service experience. Businesses that truly recognize the importance of communication skills in customer service instead look at all interactions with their customers and try to make each step as effective and possible as possible. When you want to improve customer service communication, do not just look at the end stage where an irate shopper gets in touch when things go wrong. Instead, try these suggestions. Start at the first stage of communication when your patron and try to do what you can do, minimize the number of things that can go wrong before they happen. Clearly label products and services so shoppers know what to expect and what not to expect. Be transparent with your prices, warranties, and service limitations. Use positive language when communicating with the customers, whether online, in store, or over the phone. Do not say, "We are out and we cannot send more than until 15." Instead, you can say, "While they are not in stock right now, it can place over and ship to you on 15." When you are aware of problems that may affect customers, be proactive about notifying them. Do not make them come over to you. If something bad happens, always try to make things right for a customer. Even if it costs you a bit more in short term, a loyal customer is a great return on investment.